We are well into soup season, and maybe you're in a little bit of a rut with making the same ones over and over and over again. And so today I'm gonna show you 3 of our favorite soup recipes, so maybe you can freshen things up in your kitchen. Soup-wise, that is. Greetings and welcome to or welcome back to PB with Jay. Here on the channel, we focus on all things plant-based goodness, and today I wanted to share with you some of our 3 favorite recipes from the cookbook reviews that we have done over time. Today I have got an African stew recipe from the Vegan Athlete, a Leeky Tuscan Minestrone from Plant U Scrappy Cooking, and a Veggie-Packed potato leek soup from Plant Based on a Budget, Quick and Easy. Let us know if you would like some more soup recipes, because we do have enough to put together another compilation sometime in the near future. Let us know if you want any other kind of compilations from the cookbook reviews we have done in the past, because I know that it's hard for you to go back and find some of those recipes sometimes. So let us know. We can do casseroles, bowls. Let us know what you're looking for and we're gonna hook you up. And if you've got some soup recipes that you'd like us to try here on the channel, put them in the comments down below and maybe we'll do a video of us trying soup recipes that either you have created or ones that you're recommending from other people somewhere on the interweb. And if you enjoy this video at any point while you're watching it, let us know in the comments down below what your go-to soup is this time of year. And like the video, because that's how YouTube tells other people they should watch it. All right, let's eat some soup. Tonight for dinner, we're gonna make an African stew. If you've watched our recipe reviews before, you've probably seen an African stew before. So get ready for the kids to say, we've already had that. But let's see how this stacks up. And if they've already, oh goodness, you haven't even eaten it yet. Anyway, let's see how this stacks up against ones we've had before in the past. There's a couple different things in here automatically. It's got cauliflower, 2 different types of potatoes, and spices I think are similar. Anyway, I can't imagine we're gonna dislike this one because it's the type of meal we generally enjoy. Oh, and add chili sauce to taste. That's definitely something I haven't seen in one of these before. So this one's got a bit of a kick to it, but I don't know if that means add chili sauce to each bowl or just at the end. Maybe I'll add it to the whole thing, but I don't want to wreck it for others. I'm gonna make a game day decision on that one. This is a nice one-pot meal. Everything goes into the soup pot. You cook the onion, add some more vegetables, and the only thing we'll be swapping out here is not using the oil to cook the vegetables with. We'll just be water sauteing them. Throw in the stock, some other stuff, all the flavor elements, and then yeah, cover and cook for 15 minutes, basically until the yam and the potatoes are soft, and then you add the kale. And then if you want that, add a little extra chili sauce. And then it says just serve it over brown rice or quinoa. Actually, probably the biggest difference in this African stew is it doesn't have tomatoes in it, which might make it Woolie's favorite ever.
Really good. It's got a bit of spice, it's got nice flavors. It feels really healthy, especially after coming off of Disney World. There's no oil pooling in the bottom of my dish.
I took the oil out of the dish.
Oh, well, there's not, and it's really good. This is an S for me. I would ask for this again.
Do you like it more than our regular peanut stew?
It's totally different.
Yeah?
Totally different.
Oh, cool. This is the perfect kind of night for a stew. Oh, it is very different.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's really simple. Yeah, she just said chili sauce to taste, so I just threw like a tablespoon in the end. But if you liked it, if you like it spicier, you could add more, but I don't know if you'd want to add more.
Hey, we've had this before.
Actually, this is way different. I thought that would be the case, but it's much more peanutty. It doesn't have the tomato sauce kind of cutting through. Or the diced tomatoes, I guess, is what usually is in ours. And there's often raisins in ours too. It makes it a bit sweeter overall. So it's a very different flavor. It's more earthier. I really like this.
I just like nail polish. Is that the soup?
No,
Nail polish soup.
Yes, nail polish soup. You didn't want nail polish soup? This is an S for me too. Love it.
It's fine. It just has like one flavor. That's it.
You don't feel the spice too? It's basically like a chili peanut kind of thing. So
Wait, there's peanuts in this?
well, it's peanut sauce. You don't taste peanut? There's no way you don't taste peanut butter.
I tasted a little bit.
Are you having a stroke?
I don't know. I just don't really taste any peanut butter.
I can't taste anything or smell anything.
So this is your favorite dish ever?
I'll give it a B.
Really? That's crazy to me that you can't taste it. How much? How is it now that you've actually tasted it with your
I
nose?
smell it.
Oh my goodness, they're coming back to us.
I taste the peanut butter now, but still
I
B.
can only smell it.
Still a B.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you guys give this?
We give it an S. We really like it.
Huh?
It's simple, but it's really flavorful, and it tastes really healthy after.
This is not S quality.
Okay, not for you, it isn't. Annie's sick, so she might not weigh in tonight. For dinner tonight, we're gonna make this Leeky Tuscan Minestrone soup. Again, what I love about her book is that it's using up a bunch of stuff. So she makes a recommendation for a bunch of different vegetables you could put in here. Yeah, she recommends zucchini, potato, cauliflower, celery, or a bell pepper. I'm gonna save my pepper for something else later in the week in case I need it. I'm gonna throw celery in here since our celery, perfect way to use that up. Love it. We're gonna dice up our slice really thin, some leek, and then she has us baking it in the oven for a little bit for like a crispy little topper, which is a super fun idea. And then the rest of the vegetables we are going to cook in a pan just for a few minutes just to start warming them up. And then we're gonna add in our tomato paste, some parsley, nutritional yeast, and then we're gonna add our crushed tomatoes, the beans, vegetable stock. So this recipe calls for like a cup and a half of vegetables. I put in, I don't know, probably triple that, double that. A lot more. I'm hoping I still have some vegetable broth. Yippee! I'm a scrappy cooker too, Carly. I make my own vegetable broth. And you should too. Super simple. She actually even has a recipe in the book for your own vegetable broth. And then while that's cooking, we have to make a sunflower cream. What's cool about her sunflower cream is it's probably one of her most common sauces she uses throughout this book. So I definitely wanted to make a recipe that had it in it. The trick is to boil them or just let them soak in hot water first. So we're doing that right now. What I like about her using sunflowers here is that it's pretty allergen free. Most people can eat it. You know, it's the kind of thing Wooly can take for school. So it's a different kind of cream sauce that I could use moving forward instead of a cashew cream. Sunflower seeds are also really cheap. So then once that's made and the vegetables have softened a little bit, we're gonna pour in the cream sauce. It says to add the pasta shells now and cook them inside of it. And then at the end you throw in either spinach or kale. I'm really looking forward to this. I love this kind of soup.
It's okay. It's fun. It doesn't really have much flavor.
I don't know, maybe add a little salt and pepper to it. So what do you give it?
B.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're trying this orange soup.
Well, I like it. It's got a nice fattiness to it.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste like anything.
Oh. Hit me up, pepper me.
Pepper you? Okay.
No! No, why didn't you do it?
Thoughts?
I like that a lot. It's not an S, but it's definitely an A for me. I think it's got a nice fattiness to it. It's super hot though. I like it.
Yeah, I think it's like an A.
I didn't realize there was pasta in it. I'd give it an A. I like all the stuff in it.
Yeah, it's a good combination of flavors and things.
Yeah.
All right. Just jumping in here to let you know that if you are enjoying these soup recipes, maybe you'll enjoy some of the soup recipes from our cookbook. You can get the digital copy that is available at the QR code, that is right here on the screen. But if you want a hard copy, we do have them now in stock again, and you can email me right here with your full address, and we can let you know how you can get one of these. Some of the soups that are in this book include a chickpea chowder, a clamless tofu chowder, which is one of my favorites, a lentil stew, which people rave to me about all the time. It includes pickles, but you don't have to add them if you don't like pickles. But if you don't like pickles, we have a much bigger conversation to have. And obviously it includes our world famous taco soup. I can say world famous because people around the world have let me know that they like it. So it's world famous. Anyway, if you've been waiting to get a copy, or if you're new to the channel and you want to pick one up, get some of our family favorite recipes, that's how you do so. All right, back to the soups. Tonight for dinner, we're having veggie-packed potato leek soup.
Ooh!
Ooh, are you excited, Annie?
I like potato leek soup.
Sweet. So again, what I love about this book is that they give you additional additions and swaps to consider. So I'm gonna add some chickpeas to it since it's gonna be more of a meal, a main. And I'm gonna swap out maybe like half of the potatoes it calls for with butternut squash because we got half of one going sad in the cupboard. I'm gonna add the extra seasonings they suggest as well to make it tangier. And the lemon. And it says to put a little hit of hot sauce in it. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. So we're gonna make it spicier too. And I'm gonna add in most of the additions and swaps. I'm excited for this book because it's so flexible, which is what cookbooks should be. Oh, that's so good. That lemon and hot sauce hit me in just such a subtle, weird, beautiful way that I unexpected. This is like really simple soup, but it's kind of like it's different than any vegetable soup I've had before. That slaps. If my kids don't like this, they're bonkers. You know, I might not even tell them I made this, so I gotta eat it all. Screw them. Dinner! Summertime in the city. Summertime in the city. That's it.
Bread's good.
I make good sourdough, yes! But how's the soup?
I didn't try it.
Mommy has an
Ooh,
opinion.
look at that nice long leek.
And he likes the leek.
You should try
It's very tasty.
pickling potatoes.
I should try growing potatoes.
Pickling potatoes.
Ew.
Should we do it, Willie? Pickle potatoes?
No, I really like it. It's creamy. Although there's one like herb in it that's not my favorite, but I'm not sure what its name is.
I think it would be better if you blended it all up so there wasn't chunks of food.
Oh, well, you can do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Let's put in the blender. It's like a different flavored broth than usual, eh? I'm guilty of doing a lot of tomato-based stuff, which isn't her favorite.
This is so refreshing. Such a refreshing change.
Let's see what the kiddos think.
This is not bland. I could use some pepper and salt.
No more pepper?
Oh, I taste pepper. It builds if
Yeah.
just salt.
I don't.
It's way better when it's like this. It's even creamier.
Yeah?
With the potatoes.
You like the flavor?
You need to try it. Try it, Dad.
Yeah? Oh, try it creamed?
Oh, you chose this soup? Choicey.
Yeah, I mean, it's delicious either way. When you blend it like that, all the flavors hit faster. Before we wrap up the video, I'd just like to give a quick hello to some of you who said hello to us in the comments down below. Sylvia from Melbourne, she wanted me to pronounce it the way that Aussies pronounce it. I would usually say Melbourne, but that's wrong. It's Melbourne. Did I do it right? Rebecca from the United Kingdom, Kathy from St. Petersburg, Florida, Tanya from Sydney, Nebraska, Gretchen from Oregon, Eliso from Vallejo, California, Florigal, born and raised in Iowa, but currently lives in Florida, Dennis from Dortmund, Germany. If you'd like a shout out here on the channel, let us know who you are, where you're watching from, and what are your go-to soups this time of year. And if you want to bump up on that shout out list, consider joining us over the Mighty Network for that perk, along with many others, including recipes, new recipes, usually weekly, from some of the upcoming projects we are working on, so you get a sneak peek of the PB with J recipes there, along with a lot of lovely spirited conversations, tips and techniques from others, not just myself. But the most important of which is just being part of a like-minded community of individuals. And you can join us over there for the price of a crappy cup of coffee a month. And if you enjoyed this video, please let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet. A lot of people think they are subscribers and they just haven't gotten around to clicking yet. So make sure you do that so YouTube can recommend more of our videos to you. And obviously like if you haven't done that yet. And if you're still hanging out, listening to me chat, maybe that means you got a big bowl of soup in front of you, you're cozy, you're comfy, and you got time for one more video. But YouTube thinks this is the one that you want to watch. It's queued up, just for you. They're nice like that.